Racing just is started. We have Mind that win break way clear start running by Daryl Tayuman. Moving up on the outside, Salinas Pure Motion. Gold Mine comes next. Then followed over by Chonang. How did you know? Then comes Mr. Environment while Sir Bryant. He's the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Mind that win by our length and a half. Tayuman is right behind in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Gold Mine. Salinas comes next. Pure Motion. Chonange. Then followed over by How Did You Know, Sir Bryant. While Mr. Environment now racing in less back to the leader. We have Mind that win maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Tayuman still in second. Coming closer in third is Gold Mine. Then comes Pure Motion, Salinas, Chonange. How did you know? Mr. Environment comes next while Sir Bryant now racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Mind that win by over a length, followed by Tayuman. Pure Motion now moving up on the outside as they swing for home. Mind that win by only 2 lengths. Pure Motion moving up on the outside. Last 100 meters. We have Mind that win. A long shot. Pure Motion moves up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Pure Motion. And finally Pure Motion second. Mr. Environment. Then comes Mind that win close. Tayuman, Salinas. And How Did You Know?